On February 26, our team of divers went on an exciting adventure. Explore the River Gurara Stern wreck in Sesimbra. The dive promised to be filled with excitement and surprises, and it certainly did not disappoint. As we made our way through the rusted metal, we encountered a plethora of marine life. One of the most stunning creatures we saw were the moray eels. These long and sinewy creatures were slithering in and out of the metal, creating an eerie but mesmerizing sight. But we had no idea that our adventure would take an unexpected turn. As we were about to finish the dive, one of our team members, Nuno, was suddenly attacked by a Kraken. "Hey! I'm not attacking you. I'm a female octopus that wants some love. Give me a hug." Despite the unexpected encounter, we had a great time exploring the River Gurara Stern wreck. We witnessed the beauty and the power of the ocean, and they made unforgettable memories. This is the magic of scuba diving, an adventure full of surprises, where you can never predict what you will see or encounter. And the River Gurara Stern wreck in Sesimbra is certainly one of the most exciting dives out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Give a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you soon.